Hello everyone, I hope everyone is fine. Yes, if you don't know me, I'm Rengso Mirza and welcome to Rengso Diary. Please do subscribe if you are new here, and if you have already subscribed, please keep on watching the videos. That's a great support and for me, and that's the love that I get from you all. Yes, once again, thank you for all the love that you have shown during the past days. And today I'll be singing a cover song, a Hindi song. This is my first time, so, and I know my pronunciation is very I don't know what to say, but please bear it. And tomorrow, as the Father's Day is approaching, tomorrow I'll be uploading Father's Day special, the official video of my song Do Pase Apa. So please keep watching, please share it, tomorrow is the special day for means day after tomorrow is a special day for fathers, and so tomorrow I'll be uploading the video. It may not be so good, so professional, because I have done everything by myself. It is not so professional, but please share it to your friends and to your loved ones. That will be a great support for me. So once again, thank you, and let us go to the song. And this song I dedicate to Shusant Singh, Rajput, who has just committed suicide. It's a song from MS Dhoni.
तू आती है सीने में, जब जब सांस भरता हूँ, तेरे